going?
I just want him to turn the light off one time.
You might. You hiding?
You can turn it off?
Where are you going? Get down on your blanket and go play. You want to go play?
What you got, dude? Hey. Hey.
He usually sucks his thumb.
Yeah, I do that too. You know, it depends on what I was playing with last, you know? If I was in a jar of peanut butter or jelly, that's a good thumb.
That's true.
What you got? Hey. Hey. What's up? Yeah. You're my first squirrel monkey. Yeah, I do squirrels all the time. I do monkeys all the time. But you're the first time I've ever seen a squirrel. What happens to a squirrel and a monkey? It's kind of cute. Except it looks like you've been eating poop.
He probably has.
Do we have a poopy diaper, Mom?
Well, I gave her some from this
Oh,
morning.
okay,
But
excellent.
he
That'd be
probably
fine.
actually does have some more if y'all need any more.
That should be fun. It's not about the volume, it's about the quality. Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah.
You gonna eat it? He loves phones. He wants a cell phone for Christmas. He loves phones. He wants a cell phone for Christmas.
Aww. You gonna take selfies?
I know, huh?
Oh, that's some nasty stuff.
Here, maybe if I act like I'm taking it.
It's like slow. Here, baby. That's yummy. It's like, no, it's not.
I can actually add some orange juice to it. That was not bad. So, Doc,
Hey,
now
so
you
what-
just made me a member of the Me Too movement.
Yeah, exactly.
No means no.
Well, we should have posted a video of that and said, me too.
Yeah, I'll make the joke on him a toy and say, you know, show everybody where the doctor touched you.
So y'all are cruel. Y'all are cruel.
What? Wow. Yeah. So I'll show Daisy your video later. She'll be like, listen to those noises, and if she hears that squeak, she's gonna be freaking out.
Oh, Ivy, give me a wipe. He's got poop over here that he's gonna grab and put in my hair probably.
Oh, that's nasty.
This monkey poop, I deal with it on a daily basis.
Same here.
It's nasty. Nasty monkey
I don't put a
poop.
diaper on Daisy if you haven't noticed that already, so I got poop everywhere.
Oh, I know. When they have a big enclosure inside and one outside, and I don't diaper them when they're in there, but if I'm letting them run around, I have one room in my house that's like a TV room where it's monkey proof, and then I put a diaper on and let them run around in there. Or if I take them somewhere like this, I try to put one on.
See, that wasn't so bad.
You're a sweet boy. You notice even when he was biting me, when he was upset, he doesn't ever really,
Yeah, he was actually quite gentle.
yeah, he's telling me he don't like it, but he doesn't really usually.
Daisy's the same way. She hasn't drawn blood in forever. Thank God.
Now, he will every now and then. About once every couple of months, 2 or 3 months, just when you think he hadn't done it in a while, then he will.
What's up? What? I said, Doc, don't touch me no more.
He said, you touch my blanket, I mean business then. He gonna get you. He gonna get that little monkey. He likes to play a game where I throw him across the room and he lands on the couch and he'll jump back to me and he wants me to throw him over and over and over. He gonna get your blanket.
Oh, no. That's funny.
He gonna get your blanket.
Take all the blankets, I'll do it.
Just break it. Give me the blanket. Give me the blanket.
Where should I put it? Because it's
Give me the blanket.
Floor, it's not on that chair.
I'm sitting on this one.
This blanket. I want this blanket. Give me. I will get it. I will get it. All right. No more torture. I'm gonna get it.
So would you bring another machine over, or you would take the blood?
Probably have to go to a different hospital.
That's sweet. So he would have surgery at a different hospital? you think?
No, we'll do it here.
Okay. Be sweet. Is he trying to play with you? Don't you get attacked? Is that your blanket, Heath? He has one blanket at home that we can't let anybody touch. You think this one's bad. That one at home, I can barely touch that one. It's his favorite. Blanket, you tell him. Oh, there it went. It's gone.
Hey.
I just want him to turn the light off one time.
You might. You hiding?
You can turn it off?
Where you going? Get down on your blanket and go play. You want to go play?
What you got, dude? Hey. Hey.
He usually sucks his thumb.
Yeah, I do that too. You know, it depends on what I was playing with last, you know? If I was in a jar of peanut butter or jelly, that's a good thumb.
That's true.
What you got?